What are the four types of agreement that you should have with yourself? You need to agree to these four things that I'll be sharing with you today. You need to agree with them, especially when you think you are an elegant woman or you want to be an elegant woman. These are the four agreements that I will be sharing with you today. They are very important. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and share so someone that really needs the video would come across it. So the first one is be impeccable with your words. Speak with integrity. Say only what you mean. Avoid using the words to speak against yourself or to gossip about others. Use the power of your words in the direction of truth and love. Don't say something and you would come back and be like, oh, I regret, I shouldn't have said this, I shouldn't have said this. No, you have to be impeccable with your words. If you don't know what to say, just keep quiet. I've never seen someone that has been arrested because they were keeping quiet. No, what you say might land you into trouble, but when you keep quiet, you are avoiding trouble, not because you are scared, but because you think highly of yourself. The second one is don't take anything personal. Nothing others do is because of you. What others say or do is a projection of their own reality, their own dream. When you are immune to the opinions and actions of others, you won't be the victim of needless suffering. What people say about you is none of your business. That's who they are. So that should be their business. That should be something they should worry about. Don't worry about what people say or think about you. And if you want to do something, do it because you want to do it and you enjoy doing it. Don't do it because of what other people would say or think. What your family will say or think, what your friends will say or think about you. There are many of us that have this passion to do something, but because of what people will say, we are unable to do it. So please just start today, because if you do good, they will talk, and if you do bad, they will also talk. So just do what you want to do, and whatever they say to you or do to you, don't take it personal. It's their own projection of reality, not yours. That's their business. That's their headache, okay? The third one is don't make assumptions. Find the courage to ask questions and to express what you really want. Communicate with others as clearly as you can to avoid misunderstandings, drama, and sadness. With just this one agreement, you can completely transform your life. Maybe let's say you walk into a room and the other person is not as active as they used to be. Instead of going to ask the person, hey girl, what's up, why are you moody, you sit there and make assumptions like she don't want to talk to me, she's avoiding me. Those are not behaviors of an high value woman. Those are not behavior of a high value woman. Don't make assumptions, okay? Express what you mean and what you really want. Stop making assumptions up and down and be destroying the relationships with people. When you are thinking about something and you want to be sure if it's right or wrong, just go ahead and ask the person. Communicate, express yourself, okay? To avoid misunderstanding, drama, and sadness, you should express yourself to the person. The last one on my list today is always do your best. I used to say a quote that's like, do your best and do the rest, instead of do your best and leave the rest. But me, I would say do your best and do the rest. Your best is going to change from moment to moment. It will be different when you are healthy as opposed to sick. Under any circumstances, simply do your best and you will avoid self-judgment, self-abuse, and regret. Do your best. You have passion. You love writing. Do your best. Buy the courses. Start from anywhere. Thank you for watching today's episode on my YouTube channel. I hope these 4 agreements would be a life-changing video for you. You should like, subscribe, and share. I have the link to my Instagram page in the bio. Feel free to link click on the link and join Queens Unite Empower Her platform, where you'd get to meet other business individuals and you'd get to express yourself, look for business strategies, tips and tricks, and boss business babe affirmations that I post there 3 times a week. I also have my podcast where I want you to listen to Femi Vibe Podcast, the number one podcast for self-love and self-development. Thank you.